Are you struggling to grab customers' attention? Today's ultimate marketing secret makes your promotion like magic. It captures offline attention and spreads online rapidly, even getting customers to willingly queue up to promote your ads. Now, let's learn about the latest solution that quickly engages customers to promote for you and enhances brand promotion: Augmented Reality Photo Booth. With just a computer, a screen, and a camera, you can achieve surprising effects better than large booths. This solution uses augmented reality technology to allow people to interact with your logo or product in a virtual world. It's easy to customize the logo and interface for different occasions and branded products, fitting perfectly for any event. Showcase and promote your brand's products and ideas innovatively, and attract people to experience through engaging our photo-taking games. People will line up to share their photos on social media, thus spreading your brand widely. Augmented reality photo booths create unforgettable experiences for on-site customers, helping them remember your brand and create buzz on the internet. Whether it's corporate events, product launches, or trade shows, our photo booths bring unique entertainment experiences and marketing impact. Now, you can have various interactive photo-taking devices. Contact us to get started.